finally free. Oh, I found my medicine, I found my way back home. Now I walk with a purpose, and I'm not walking alone. Every drum beat says you belong, every cedar smell makes me strong.